Masa el Khair. Salam alaikum. Thank you all and welcome. Dear esteemed guests, most of whom I've now already met, valued colleagues, and brilliant students, whichever organisation you come from, our guests and our own students, I am truly delighted to welcome you most warmly to the IP Moot Court 2025. Now, this is a at least three-partner collaborative event. The British University in Egypt, first of all, our emphasis on preparation of our students for graduate-level careers is embodied in our excellent employability and careers service. And I do want to thank Ms. Sahar El-Atwi and her team for their conceptual and organisational input into today's event. Our Faculty of Law is dedicated to the transfer and application of legal knowledge, excellence, and professionalism. And I pay tribute here to the leadership of Professor Ibrahim Salama and his senior team in constructing this high-powered, high-caliber event. I also pay tribute, and I always will, to our Students' Union, who work tirelessly in the interests of our students, and they're an absolute delight and a pride and a joy to us. And of course, last but certainly not least, our very special thanks to the highly respected Challenge Law Firm. I met Dr. Shaima earlier. Challenge Law Firm is a top 10 Egyptian law company and a champion-level power in the legal domain. Thank you for your sponsorship of today's event, and we are honoured by your presence, as we are by all of our extremely esteemed partners and guests. So, as we said, my name is Professor Catherine Harper. I'm the acting provost at the British University in Egypt, and I hold particular responsibility for our student-centred approach to the education, personal development, and experience of our students. And it's therefore a great personal pleasure to see this prestigious intellectual property moot court competition taking place at the university, bringing together top university teams from across Egypt and affording us the opportunity to do a number of things. To witness Egypt's brightest future legal talents in action. What an absolute privilege. To network with leading experts and VIPs in the legal profession. Again, what an absolute privilege. And finally, to gain insights into the evolving world of intellectual property law. Extremely important. As a designer by training, IP is incredibly important. So law's principles come alive, I'm sure you'll agree, through legal practice and performance. Law is meaningful and it matters, no more so in the articulation, definition, and protection of the work of innovative and inventive minds, notably in relation to economic, creative, environmental, health, and social benefits and rights. And by creating the conditions for high-level engagement with live-action legal argument in the moot court theatre, where skills of advocacy, persuasion, influence, and performance are honed, students develop expertise in this discipline, but also refine the professional, personal, and ethical values and individual and collaborative accountabilities for their futures. So, for example, here at the British University in Egypt, we are invested in building exemplary personal character, as much as legal expertise and professional excellence. We provide a British-style education, but very much within the Egyptian context, respecting the best of both cultures. And as an Irish woman, I have to say I have fallen in love with Egyptian culture. But we celebrate the best of both cultures in a curriculum that is of highest academic quality and truly future-focused. Our education is closely linked to employability, and we ensure that real-world, real hands-on experience establishes student confidence, capacity, and capability. So, the intellectual property Moot Court affords you all the chance to immerse yourselves experientially and intellectually in exercising your minds in the finest points of IP law. We expect great excitement, powerful argument, and effective practice of legal knowledge. Enjoy the moment. Thank you and shukran.